Hey you guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing an after dark clean. I'm just going to be showing you guys my nighttime routine and what I do after my daughter goes to sleep. I try to keep the music nice and relaxing, so hopefully you guys enjoy this one.
No, and don't come running to blame me. From miles away I can tell that something's off. The way you look and how you pause when you talk.
Okay, so this is what my main floor looks like almost every single night. You guys know I'm home with the baby and I'm not cleaning as I'm with her, just enjoying her. So after I put her down around 7 p.m., I come downstairs, get myself together and clean my main floor before sitting down to relax and watch TV or whatever the case is before I go to sleep. I have to rewind for the day. I can't just put her to sleep and then just go to sleep. I have to take a moment to rewind. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I clean before I'm able to do that. But really quick, I just want to mention that today's After Dark Clean is a collab with my good friend Morgan over at Life Happens here on YouTube. And she is so sweet, and if you guys love my content, then you guys will love her content even more. She does very similar content and I watch her videos faithfully. She uploads twice a week, so there's tons of motivation there. I'm gonna let her introduce herself in a second, but first I want to say that if you are coming over from Morgan's channel, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Josie. I am a wife and a first-time mom to my 6-month-old baby girl, and on my channel I do a bunch of cleaning, homemaking, cooking, decor, hauls, makeovers, all that good stuff. Me and my husband bought a fixer-upper here in New York, so one of the things that I am doing here is going through room by room and showing you guys makeovers of my home as well as a ton of cleaning. So thank you guys so much for coming over, and I'm gonna let Morgan introduce herself now.
Hey guys, my name is Morgan from Life Happens Here. I am so excited to be doing this collab today with Josie. I hope that after watching Josie's video that you guys will decide to come over to my channel. My channel consists of tons and tons of cleaning motivation, but I also do hauls, room makeovers, cooking DIYs, home decor, and lots of real life motherhood content as well. And I do post twice a week, every Wednesday and Saturday at 6:30 a.m. Make sure to let me know if you are coming from Josie's channel, and I'll see you guys there. Bye.
So as you guys can see, I did start off in my kitchen. That's where I always start off whenever I'm doing the main floor, and that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be cleaning the main floor and showing you guys my nighttime routine, literally and realistically what I do every single night, so you won't see me deep cleaning and polishing the appliance and all that stuff that I usually do in my clean with me's, because this is what I do in the nighttime and I do not do that in the nighttime. So before I let this video go on any further, I just want to also mention an update on my 1,000 subscribers post. Again, thank you guys so much for getting me to that threshold, 1,000 subscribers. I am so grateful. But I announced a giveaway 2 weeks ago for a $25 cash prize through PayPal in order to show my appreciation, but not a lot of people has entered, honestly. So I just want to give it another week or two to give everybody a fair chance. So I'm just going to restate the rules. 1, be subscribed to my channel if you're not already, and 2, head over to my newly created Instagram that I created just for you guys. Give a follow and then leave a comment under my 1,000 subscribers post and you are entered. Thank you guys so much for 1,000 subscribers again, and good luck. I hope you guys win.
Who you really are, yeah. Don't need you here to say you're sorry, 'cause if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Don't take it slow, don't be gentle. No, I just gotta know, if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Let's be honest for a second, yeah. You're being over your head, babe, 'cause there is no one other than me that can make you feel the way you feel when I hold you. I think I said enough. You said you love for me something brand new. You said this is something you would never do. Here we are in your
So now that the kitchen is clean, I cannot cook in a dirty kitchen. So I'm just going to be sharing with you guys a delicious puff pastry treats. They are savory, and I'm making these because I had guests come over the next day, so I always like having a little snack whenever guests come over. And I'm just using the Pepperidge Farm puff pastry sheets that you can get them at Target. They're really inexpensive. And I'm inserting a clip here of me making the meat because I made the meat earlier in the day. That is why it's light outside. But all I do is season some ground beef. You can season it with whatever you want. Add some caramelized onion and saute that for about 30 minutes, and that's literally it.
Don't need you here to say you're sorry, 'cause if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Don't take it slow, don't be gentle. No, I just gotta know if you're gonna leave me, then just do it.
After the meat is fully cooled down, you just cut the puff pastry sheets. I did into 4, but you can honestly fit 6 cuts if you roll it a bit, but I didn't have a roller. So you just fill the puff pastry sheets with the meat that you made, and then you close it up with a fork. You just press the fork onto the edges, lay it on some parchment paper, and then you do apply an egg wash. And the egg wash is really important because it's what gives that light brown, crispy texture to the puff pastries. If not, they'll look very pale white and unappetizing. So then you put this in the oven for 350 for about 20 to 30 minutes, and I'm just gonna pop them in the oven and then continue cleaning, and I'll show you guys at the end what they look like.
I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day.
As I watch this clip, I am like itching and squirming in my seat. I am itching to do a makeover in my dining room. It is so plain. I haven't got to this room yet. And this table, I just do not like the stain on it anymore. It's not my style, but I do like the shape of it and the chairs and the bench and stuff like that. So what I'm thinking is sanding down the table to a more natural wood tone and then painting the chairs and the bench black. Let me know what you guys think of that idea, or if you have any other suggestions. But I'm definitely going to be doing something with this table.
I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time.
So now I'm just going to be picking up in my living room. You're going to see I have a bunch of blankets and stuff on the floor because baby is officially mobile. She is flipping and crawling all over the place, so keeping her on the floor is the safest option for me right now. So I'm just going to be picking up in my living room and getting everything set for the next day.
I wanna hold his hand, 'cause I can't stop thinking about him. And would he understand if I
Now I'm just putting away all of her stuff that she uses every single day in my little catch-all corner. I know I'm not the only one who has one. And if you're wondering why I'm struggling by myself putting this coffee table back, is because this is what my husband was doing. He was taking a nap in the baby's nursery on the floor, and I found that hilarious. He probably didn't want to go back in the room, in our room, because that is where the baby sleeps. And for some reason, as soon as we go inside the room or try to lay down or do anything like that, it's like she feels that we're in the room and she wakes up. Here I'm just cleaning my entryway mirror because for my 1,000 subscribers post, I tried to tape my 1K balloons on there. I didn't end up taking the picture that way, but it left some residue. So I just went ahead and cleaned that mirror, and then I'm gonna vacuum and mop the entire floor all at once. And I'm gonna try to show you guys that at a cool angle so you can kind of see me do the whole floor at one time.
gonna stay in this moment, gonna lay here on the grass. I don't need to feel lonely, I know I'm coming back. Oh, oh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you.
You guys, I need your help because after getting the cordless vacuum, I am so enjoying not being attached to anything cord-wise or anything like that. So now I want the same type of feeling for my mop. I don't want to keep going back to a bucket, even though I do love the way this mop works, the tornado mop and my method squirt cleaner. I do enjoy it and I like the way it leaves the floors, but I am thinking like a spray mop or something like that, but I don't know which one to get. So if you guys have any suggestions, please leave it down in the comments below, because I definitely want that same feeling of being free from any buckets or cords or anything like that.
Different cities, friendly faces, and perhaps I'm going back.
So now that I finished cleaning the entire floor, I took these out the oven and they are delicious. You guys need to try this. They are so good. They went so quick. And now I'm just showing you guys both how it looks in the light and how it looks in the dark, because it's so relaxing to me to just sit down after cleaning the entire floor. If you guys enjoyed this video, again, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you consider staying and hitting that subscribe button and also turning on your notifications so you don't miss any of my future uploads. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon in my next video.
Down the street so many times, my feet